This week I'm testing the Hyundai i30. It's a 5-seater hatchback. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Hyundai i30 there are ISOFix in the 2 outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they are nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all 3 seat backs are top tether anchorages. They're really nice and easy to access through the boot. Now I could install 2 child seats in the back here. There wasn't enough room for a third one in the central seat. We found with a rear-facing child seat installed that I could sit in the driver's seat, and I'm 162 centimetres, but someone taller would really struggle for legroom. However, with forward-facing child seats, we found it was a really good car for legroom, and a 182 centimetre passenger could sit in front. In the back of the i30, storage is quite good. There are 2 cup holders and a fold down in the central seat back. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are net mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins are good in the back here. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there are the storage wells in the doors too. Storage in the front of the Hyundai i30 is compact but very practical. There are 2 cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a small central console box behind them, and that has a 12-volt socket in. In front of the gear lever is a phone charging well, and you've got USB and 12-volt sockets in there too. There's a glasses case in the ceiling that's nicely lined, and the glove box in here is a good size. I could get my iPad in there with my wallet and the manual. The door bins are a good size in the front here. They would hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's little storage wells in the handles too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Hyundai i30. Empty, it will hold 10 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller and 5 shopping bags, the Britax Flex tandem stroller and 4 shopping bags, the Mountain Buggy Urban Jungle single stroller and 3 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. The Hyundai i30 is a really nice car to drive. You can hear the engine, but for a small 5-seater hatch, it's quite quiet and smooth. The media system in the i30 is really nice and easy to use, modern and easy to navigate. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is fantastic. When you put it into reverse, the camera image does fill the whole screen, which is great. It is a little bit pixelated, but it's a nice big view. So to sum up with the Hyundai i30, it is a fantastic little practical and fuss-free 5-seater family hatchback. Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.